Friend, many people want to speak English fluently, but they don't speak daily. Not because they are lazy, not because they are not intelligent, but because they feel fear, confusion, and they don't have a system. Today, I will share a simple daily routine that will help you start speaking English confidently every single day. Let's get started. Part 1, Daily Speaking Mindset. First, you need the right mindset. You don't become fluent by learning more rules. You become fluent by using English daily. Mistakes are not failure. Silence is failure. Fluency doesn't come from perfection. Fluency comes from practice. Speak imperfectly, speak daily. Fluency will follow. Part 2, Simple Daily Routine. Here is a very simple daily routine. You don't need hours, you don't need coaching, you don't need expensive courses. You only need 15 to 20 minutes daily. Step 1, Listening. 5 minutes only. Listen to English videos, podcasts, or short clips. Focus on pronunciation and flow. Step 2, Speaking. Only 5 minutes. Repeat sentences aloud. Shadow the speaker. Copy the tone. Copy the rhythm. Step 3, Thinking in English. 5 minutes only. Describe your day in English. Talk to yourself in English. Think simple sentences. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Part 3, How to practice alone. If you are alone, don't stop practicing. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Watch yourself speak. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak simple sentences. Don't judge. Don't overthink. Don't stop. Daily self practice builds confidence. Part 4, How to practice with others. Practice with real people, friends, family, online partners. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple sentences. Communication is about connection, not perfection. Part 5, Common mistakes learners make. Here are common mistakes: waiting to be perfect, learning but not speaking, being afraid of mistakes, comparing yourself with others, overthinking grammar. These habits delay fluency. Remember one simple truth: consistency is more powerful than perfection. Speak daily, speak imperfectly, speak confidently, and fluency will come naturally. Start today, not tomorrow, not someday, today. If you want to learn English speaking daily, subscribe to this channel. Here we build fluency, confidence, and communication step by step.